Hi, I'm Renny Doyle, detailer of Air Force One, and today as part of the Flex Detail Like a Pro series, we're going to talk about contamination or cross-contamination of your pads and your towels. Now, what I like to do is when I'm using a pad, I never use a compound and a polish on the same pad. So to keep good habits and keep you from doing that is what I do is I like to take and mark the edge of my pads. So C for compound, P for polish. What that means is even though I wash and clean my pads, I still do not want to cross-contaminate. This keeps you from doing that. Likewise, I'll do the same with my microfiber towels. So I will pick out a color and designate, for this instance, the pink I'm going to use with compound, and then the gray with black trim, I'm going to go ahead and use as my polishing towel. What that will do is allow you much better results, and it will take and reduce your cost of your pads and your towels by keeping them nice and clean. So again, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check us out on the web at our website. And then also, if you have any questions or comments, send us a private message and then hashtag us ShineWithFlex because we want to see what you're working on. Thanks a lot. Happy detailing. Take care.